What's up, Tracy?
What's up?
I like your chain.
I like your face.
Oh, thank you. I like your glasses.
I will suck your dick right there.
What?
I said I would like to sit in your chair.
Oh. Okay, cool. I would like to,
Wait a minute. Who
what?
are you?
That sounds like a TikTok sound.
Bitch, this Adin.
Yeah, it is. What's the problem?
I still suck your dick. That's the thing.
I will have to decline, but I appreciate the offer.
What about her? What about my homegirl?
Yo, is that ChriseanRock?
It's Chrisean.
No.
Not too much.
No.
This is Chrisean's older, long lost sister.
Yo, it's Young Thug and ChriseanRock. Let's go!
You thought you ate, you motherfucking polar bear? Shut your stupid ass the fuck up, bitch.
Damn, motherfucker, what the fuck did I do?
Calling me young thug, nigga. I might have fucked his cousin, but that's not me.
What?
Huh?
Listen, Jeffrey, calm the fuck down.
Who the fuck is Jeffrey?
It's Young Thug's real name.
Huh?
It's Young Thug's real name. Yeah.
Are you on Twitch or something?
No. Wait, Chrisean, what's going on with the breakup? Hey, free Young Thug for real.
My name is Baby Door. I'm not that bitch.
Chrisean, stop at the games. Wait, Thug, I have a question. What's your favorite? Well, actually, nah, never mind. Free Thug though, for real.
Wait.
Don't call me young thug, because I don't even look like young thug. I'm pretty as fuck. Let's be honest.
Yeah, right. And I'm an astronaut.
You're a what?
Bro, I'm not gonna lie, their internet was so shit. Ivy.